Let's see the third method, students, how to find probability using multiplication method or fraction method. So previous videos I showed you how to use tree diagram, and then I showed you table method, how to find the probability using these two. The third method, multiplication method or a fraction method, is very easy method, because these, whatever we are learning, they are independent event. They are nothing to do with each other. So we can find individual probability, and then we can connect them together, join together. For example, this question calculating probability using multiplication method. Robin rolls a standard six-sided die. So on six-sided die, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. And then Sandy spins a spinner which are equally divided into three parts, A, B, and C. What we have to do, we have to find the probability that even number comes when we roll the die. And when we spin the spinner, B comes. So this is the question, probability that even number comes on the die and B comes on the spinner. So this we have to find it. See, on die there are six number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are asking about even number. So how many are total possibilities? 6 possibilities. And how many numbers are even number? 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even. So favorable possibilities are 3 and total are 6. So what is the probability on die that even number comes? 3 over 6, which you can reduce, which is 1 over 2. So we are finding probability for separate events. On spinner, what is the probability that B come? What are the total number of chances? There are 3 section A, B, and C, right? And they are equally divided. So what is the probability that B comes when the spinner is spinning? So B is only 1. So total number of chances are 3 and B is only 1. So what is the probability? 1 over 3. So when we are finding the probability, even number comes, so what we are doing? We are finding the probability. What is the probability the even number come separately, and then we are finding the probability that B comes. So this is 1 over 2 probability for die that even number come. For probability that B come on the spinner is 1 over 3. So what we do? We multiply both. So what is the probability of even number? 1 over 2. So we write 1 over 2. What is the probability that B come on the spinner? 1 over 3. So multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 3 is. So 1 over 6 is the probability. This is very simple and easy method when we are finding the probability of different event or independent event. I'll give you one more example here. This question, a bag contains 3 red marbles, 4 yellow, and 2 black. 3, 4, 7, and 2. There are 9 marbles in one bag. And then there is a second bag which have 2 pennies and 4 dimes. Total 6 coins in the second bag. A marble and coin are drawn from each bag at random. We have to calculate what is the probability that red comes and penny comes. So what we will do, we find what is the probability red comes from the bag of marbles. So red, how many red are there? 3. Right? And how many total are there? 3, 4, 7, and 2, 9. So what is the probability that red will come? 3 over 9. You can reduce this 1 over 3. Then find what is the probability that penny will come. So there are how many coins? 2 here, 4, 6. 6 coins. And how many penny? 2. So what is the probability? 2 over 6. You can reduce this 1 over 3. So what is the probability together that red and penny both come, right? So what is the probability red come is 1 over 3 times. What is the probability that penny come is also 1 over 3. So multiply top by top, 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9. The probability that red and penny comes when you randomly pick one marble from bag and one coin from the second bag. Same question, but this time they are asking what is the probability red or black come. So there are two events, right? How many are total marbles here? 3, 4, 7 and 2, 9. How many are red and black together? 3 here, 2 there, 5. So there are 5 favorable possibilities here. So 5 over 9 is the probability that red or black can come. So we use red and black together. Right? So red is 3, black is 2. So 5 marbles have equal chances to come out of 9. So 5 out of 9. Dimes. So total coins are 4 and 2, 6. And 4 are dimes. So what is the probability? 4 over 6. You can reduce this 2 over 3. Now to find the probability that red or black, which is 5 over 9, and probability of dime is 2 over 3. So we are using multiplication method. So we will do 5 over 9 times 2 over 3. So if we multiply top by top, 10, 9 times 3 is 27. We cannot further reduce it. So what is the probability red or black and dimes come is 5 times 2, 10 and 9 times 3, 27. 10 over 27 is the probability. Thank you.